recording.
Hi guys, good morning. What a beautiful day. You can see the blue skies and clouds. By the way, it's still under this movement control in Malaysia, and oops, accidentally pressed the horn button. And I'm going out to buy some stuff since already almost a week I never go out. Okay, and buy some food, lunch, and some groceries for my family. Okay. Okay, can you see? I'm wearing mask. What else? Okay. Another thing is for me to test out this GoPro. I mounted here. Can you see that? It's here. Just for a test ride, but I think my leg probably already blocked out the view. Stupid me. And then nothing much. Just going out to buy stuff, and when the movement control gonna end, I don't know. If everything goes well in Malaysia, hopefully it ends this April 28th. Okay, so it's another week to go. Hopefully the COVID pandemic we're gonna end soon, and yeah, Malaysia is doing good, quite well, and infection patient is getting lesser and lesser. Okay, from hundreds to now, I think yesterday was about 50 or 60 patients only. Okay, so hopefully you end as soon as possible, because I want to work. No income for almost a month plus already. What to do? This is life. Well, let me see. Where else should I go? Okay, firstly I gotta buy lunch first, and then I think I'll be going to, there's a store here, family store, but there's a lot of people lining up. Yeah, what can I do? I enjoy riding, man, serious. Oh, that's nice, man. Oops, there's some cars, so I won't be overtaking here because it's corners, it's a blind corners up front, and it's going up here, so no, better don't take the risks. Okay, I think I can overtake here. Oh no, it's a double line, as you can see. No. Oh. Hey guys, tell me what you all did at home. I'm super boring. I play games most of the time. Computer games, PC. Okay, I play PC games, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, all kind of consoles. because I'm super bored. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna start recording some PC stuff, especially, you know, recently I like building custom PCs. Okay, I did two, one for my for home use and another for me to have fun at the factory at my workplace. So I like building PCs. It's kind of interesting. You can mix and match all kind of stuff. You know, you test out all parts, graphic cards, processors, RAMs, you know, motherboards, and then water cooling stuff, AIO, you know, all kind of stuff. So I might be start taking this gaming stuff soon, because yeah, definitely I will continue taking this motor vlog and you know, my this sports bike, my bike life. But maybe I'm gonna add on another. Do you think that I need to reopen another channel specifically for my PC gaming stuff, PC building stuff, or I mean tech stuff lah, basically. You know, I love tech, TVs, okay, sound system, okay, or I just continue using the same account, the same channel. So divide it into two parts, motorcycle parts and another tech stuff part, or what? Tell me, leave a comment. Which is better? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, gotta buy thing wonton mee, which is noodles. The type of noodles that my wife love so much, especially their chicken feet. You know, we Chinese eat chicken feet. I don't know it's open or not, but properly closed, not sure. Well, let me see. Oh, it's closed. You know, this is a very nice place to eat this Gyeonggi recipe, but it's closed today, so I gotta go somewhere else to buy. And then we get some groceries. Okay, then I think that's it for today. Since you know, it's been so long, I can only ride a week, once a week or or maybe twice a week. Because it's so damn bored at home. I'd rather riding out than driving, because I love riding. Okay guys, see you guys soon. As if the MCO, the movement control, extend, I think probably I'll make some tech video, okay, because you know, I'm unable to ride, so no motor vlog for me, so I can stay home and do more tech review. You know, I'm a gadget guy, all kinds of gadget I like, especially PC stuff, PC building. Okay guys, see you really soon. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video and ask me any question you like. Thank you so much, and stay safe out there. Goodbye.